So tonight we're going to cover IntelliJ configuration, but this is basically for testers, I would say. So and so we've been able to install our, we've been able to configure Java Home. We've been able to do Maven last week. So today we're going to go into IntelliJ configuration. So having installed IntelliJ. So if you are new into this course, so you need to look at the previous video that we did for setup of Java Home, Maven Homes, and also IntelliJ installation. So today it's going to be IntelliJ configuration, basically for QS. Okay. So the first thing you will see, if you've not actually opened your IntelliJ before, when you go to open it, like I said, I'm going to run through this slide in the first half of this call. Then later I would start to do it in kind of workshop way, so you can follow me on the steps. So I will go through this slide right now. So the first thing you need to do is you will see your IntelliJ screen like this. But if you already opened it before, you might not see the screen. You see your new project, the project that you opened previously. So, but if you see this screen, so you need to set up your configuration. So what you need to do is click on configure at the bottom part of this. So then when you click on that one, you will see a pop-up. You click on settings. So when you click on settings, this actually gives this screen to you. There are a lot of things that you can actually do in this screen. So you can change your the appearance of your screen, change the theme, and change the font. And also there's some system settings that you can do. So we are not going to go into all these details, but you can change a lot of things in this particular screen. So if you want to change anything. But what I am particular about tonight is how to add Cucumber as a plugin to your IntelliJ. So to do that, when you are on that screen, click on plugin. So when you click on plugin, the next thing that you need to do is to search for Cucumber for Java. So as you are typing, it's going to be giving you options to select. So at any particular time that you have Cucumber for Java, I think you can click on that one. So when you click on that, you will see this screen. So then you click on install. That should take you to this particular dialog box. So you would click on yes to install the plugin. Then after it's been installed, you will need to restart your IDE. So to do that, you need to click on restart IDE. That will restart IntelliJ for you. So after you've clicked on the restart button. So that is the first one that you need to do. The second part also is to set up your default SDK for all the projects. So it's the same process. When you are on this screen, you go to configure, and then you click on structure for new projects. So, and then you would see this screen. So to see this screen, and when you see this screen, you can then click on the particular module that you want to use for your SDK. So on my own case, I'm using version 12 module for the SDK. So you need to specify the right one. So then the next step now is to click on OK, and that is that. Then I would advise you just quickly confirm your JDK home path is set properly. So, and to also that it corresponds to your Java home that we set before. Then also confirm that there's no issues by clicking on the problem tab. So, and that is that for the configuration of IntelliJ. Okay. Uh, so from this screen, so like I said, I've previously opened my IntelliJ, so I don't see this splash screen. So what I see is the previous project I have already created. But to go to that screen, I click on File, because you also could be in this situation whereabouts you did not actually configure your IntelliJ in the first instance. But how do you go to that screen? You just go to File and you click on Settings. So that takes me to this screen that I showed here. So then we continue from here. So then the next thing that I need to do is plugin. So you click on plugin, and then you would start to search for Cucumber for Java. You click on Java one. I've already got that installed, so in your own case, you need to click on install and you continue that process. So